Welcome to Ubud! This week we are going to rice terraces, temples, waterfalls and more.
Come with us to explore Ubud. It's just hitting sunset and we're just walking to one of the rice terraces in Ubud, so come with us. It's so beautiful here. We're excited. Here we go. Wow, so beautiful. I feel so lucky to be here. We're about to catch a Gojek to a waterfall, so that will be exciting. It's pretty hot still. Might be one of our last really sunny days though for a few days, so we're gonna go to a waterfall, maybe swim, we'll see, and then yeah, we're just about to leave our accommodation. We're staying at the soccer homestay in Ubud so far. It's really nice. Lampo Waterfall, and it was about 25k,
25k per person
to get in, and it's really beautiful, so I'll just show you. So there's like a little river running down, the main waterfall over there, and then if you follow the bridge that's just crossing the stream and up the stairs in the back, there's actually a cave. We're at our last stop for the day, and it's called Tibuman Waterfall. It's amazing. Top tip from us. It closed at 6. It's after 6 now. It's 6:15, and we've got the place to ourselves. They've let us in, and now we're just here alone. So it's pretty great. So if you want to come to the waterfall and then have nobody here, this is the time to come, I reckon. It's not as hot. There's no people. It's great. Also, who needs a stairmaster when you can walk all these stairs to get back? Wow, so beautiful.
Hey guys, so we are here right now at the Ubud Palace. Ubud Palace is in the heart of Ubud, pretty much very centre of it, and here we've just been walking around having a look at all the different cultural architecture and gardens and a few other things to do here. It's free entry, so you can come in, I guess, most of the time throughout the day, and at night they have a dance that you can watch. However, that does have a charge of about $10 per person.
So we're just exploring the rice terraces here in Ubud, and I just wanted to mention that there is an entry fee but then if you want to keep exploring certain parts of it, they're actually owned by different people and you'd have to pay more, so just be aware of that when you are coming. We're here at Taman Dedari and it's got these amazing statues and things in the garden. It's about a 50k entry fee, but if you get something at the restaurant then you don't have to pay the fee, and you're probably spending a similar amount, but at least you're getting some food with it, with a nice view, and can get some photos and things. So that's what we're doing now. We're excited. We've ordered a red velvet milkshake and a biscoff tiramisu, so we will enjoy that while we're in the garden.
What's up everyone? Here today we're at Tegenungan Waterfall. It cost us 30k each, which is about just over $3 New Zealand each to enter, and it's a beautiful waterfall, and you can come here swimming, but not today because weather has been bad, so they're worried that it might be a bit too strong for swimming today. You can also cross it over the river. There's a small bridge that you can cross.
We're going to the glass bridge.
How exciting!
And our tickets also included this slide, and I'm just walking past this one. This rainbow slide,
100 meters.
which will be really fun and scary, I'm sure. And it also involves a swing off the edge of a cliff. So we might do that. But either way, we're doing that. Here's the rainbow slide. Oh my gosh, I've seen videos about this. They gave us these little velvet booties to go over our shoes. Big change of plans. No more booties. It started pouring down, so we have to walk bare feet now. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is like crazy. Fully just walking on the glass and it's wet. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. You can see the river right below us. That's crazy. How does it feel?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah?
It's real. Yeah, I love it.
Will is doing the swing off the cliff.
Awesome.
Glass bridge. Here's Will getting
How
strapped in.
exciting.
What are you feeling right now?
I'm in pure excitement.
Wow.
Joy.
Okay, good.
Okay.
I'm gonna film
Ready?
this.
Can we go higher? Oh. Whoa. Oh snap. Yeah. exciting.
We are going on the rainbow slide now. We're just walking up. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous.
I'm excited.
Ah.
I've never been on one of these before.
Yeah, it should be fun actually.